Is your YouTube video's view count not updating even after refreshing? Is your video stuck at 0 views? Well, believe me, you are not alone. The YouTube support page, Reddit, and Quora are filled with complaints like this. But don't worry, I have figured out 3 ways behind this 0 view jail, and here is what you can do about it. Reason number 1. YouTube is taking time to verify your channel's views. I have personally faced this on a lot of my new channels. YouTube takes time to verify views and other channel metrics to make sure that the engagement is coming from real humans and not bots. And that is why it takes some time to reflect the real view count on your channel, at least after the first few hours of publishing the video. Some channels, especially if your channel is new, might even see a frozen view count, and that means that YouTube is validating your engagement. In fact, sometimes it might also be a temporary glitch from YouTube's end, but no need to panic about this because it does not affect your channel's long-term performance. Now the question is what to do. Firstly, understand this is completely normal and you don't have to worry about it. If your channel is new, make sure that your YouTube account is verified by going to this URL and putting down your phone number. This will help you prove that you are not a bot. Reason number 2. Your views are considered low quality. I know it sucks, but YouTube can slow down, freeze, or even change your view count to discard low quality playbacks. For example, using several devices to watch the same video or streaming the video across different tabs and windows will be considered as low quality. So, what can you do here? Well, avoid these practices even if your favorite YouTube guru tells you this. It will waste your time at best and hurt your channel at worst. Now, I understand if you want to watch your video after uploading. In that case, you can do it from the account from which you posted the video in the first place. And in case you have already made this mistake, here is what I will suggest you. Firstly, delete the YouTube video and republish it. Secondly, make sure your video is private, leave it for a few minutes and then make it public again. Reason number 3. You are violating YouTube community guidelines. I know it can be tempting, but if you are participating in practices like asking for subscribers or buying views from shady websites or encouraging viewers to buy views, then my friend, you are violating YouTube community guidelines and you can get shadow banned. So what should you do now? In case you did this, immediately raise a request from YouTube support to unfreeze your account. They may impose a community warning on your account which will get lapsed after 3 months if you take the training. Now here are some bonus tips to help you maintain healthy YouTube habits. Number 1. Stop publishing videos immediately after uploading. Better spend some time formulating a relevant title based on easy to rank keywords and an optimized description. I have already shown how to do that in my previous video. Remember, you must schedule your videos when your audience is most active to avoid 0 views. Number 2. Avoid reposting the same content even if it's your own. Now, I understand the urge to reuse your older content. In case you want to do that, make sure that firstly, turn your long video into a short. Secondly, you can combine your long videos into a mega guide. Moving on, don't post 10 times a day thinking that the algorithm will reward you. Focus on quality more than quantity and experiment with different formats to see what works for you. Now finally, let's say you nurture these healthy YouTube habits, but how will you know if they are actually working for you? Well, to see the most up-to-date view count, you should look at your YouTube analytics and not your channel page. Because this is the place you will find information like audience retention, watch time, CTR, and much more. But obviously for that you also need to know what makes your video perform well. So to learn how to go viral without any crazy edits, watch this video next.